Hello, my element is magnesium. Magnesium has an atomic number of 12, an atomic mass of 24.305, and the number of protons, neutrons, and electrons are all at 12 each. Magnesium is an alkaline earth metal. It is solid at room temperature, and in its appearance can vary depending on its state. It goes from a silvery white substance to a silver or gray shiny metal. Magnesium is known as a low-weight structural metal. The surface is covered with a layer of oxide that acts as a protecting agent. And magnesium is flammable, and when it burns, it creates a blinding, bright, white flame. And its density is low. It is about 2/3 of the density of aluminum. It's heavy enough to sink, but it's still lightweight metal. The melting point is 650 degrees Celsius, and the boiling point is 1091 degrees Celsius. Magnesium is the 8th most abundant element in the universe and the 7th most abundant element in the Earth's crust. Despite these facts, magnesium is never found free in nature. It's always derived from something. In 1808, an English chemist named Sir Humphrey Davy, he first isolated magnesium through electrolysis of a mixture of magnesium oxide and mercuric oxide. Today, magnesium is often comes from the seawater. There's 1.3 billion kilograms of magnesium in every cubic kilometer of seawater, though it can also be obtained from dolomite and carnallite. The name magnesium comes from Magnesia. It's a district in Thessaly, Greece, which is where it was discovered. Joseph Black, who was a Scottish chemist, recognized magnesium as a separate element in 1755. And in 1831, Antoine Alexander Brutus Bussy isolated the metal in a pure state. He was a French pharmacist and chemist. Magnesium has so many uses. I was surprised to see how many uses and everything it's used in and for. I work in the medical field, and I was aware of its medical uses, but I didn't know it had such extensive uses. It's often used in flares because of the effect it creates when it is on fire. It's used in flares and pyrotechnics, including incendiary bombs as well, and flash photography. Since it's a lightweight metal, it's lighter than aluminum. It's used in making alloys for aircrafts, missiles, cars. It's used in car seats, luggage, laptops, cameras, cast iron, and power tools. It has been added to steel and molten iron to remove sulfur. There are different forms of magnesium. There's hydroxide, magnesium hydroxide, magnesium chloride, magnesium sulfate, magnesium citrate, magnesium fluoride, magnesium carbonate. There's a lot of different forms of magnesium, and they all have different uses. The hydroxide form is often referred to as milk of magnesia. That is often used in the medical field to treat constipation, heartburn, upset stomach. It can also be added to plastics, and this makes the plastics fire retardant, which is odd to me since it's a flammable substance. The chloride form is used to help prevent and treat magnesium deficiency in the human body. It's often used as a daily supplement, and magnesium deficiency in the body can cause heart problems is one thing. If your body's not balanced, then it just sets off a lot of like a chain reaction of bad things. Magnesium sulfate is Epsom salts, and it has a variety of uses as well. It's used in baths to help with muscle soreness, constipation, preeclampsia, eclampsia, toxemia of pregnancy, in pediatric acute nephritis, and to prevent seizures. Magnesium citrate is used as a dietary supplement, and it helps with acid indigestion and constipation. There's so many uses, and without magnesium, photosynthesis would not be able to take place either, because chlorophyll is a magnesium-centered porphyrin complex. Probably saying that wrong. So magnesium is very special because it is so lightweight, but it's so strong at the same time. To be able to see fireworks and use sparklers and all that stuff is always fantastic. And Magnesium, it's really all around us in our environment every day, all over the world. It's literally in everything we use, from our cell phones, laptops, cars. Um, there were some concerns about its effect on the environment, but in the last 10 years, that's all changed. And literally 85% of the world's magnesium comes from a thermal processes now, and usually from China. And that's a bit about a magnesium, and there's my model. That's it. Thank you.